Hey Xsens users, this tutorial will show you how to integrate StretchSense gloves for finger tracking in MVN. To begin, plug both StretchSense dongles into the computer with Hand Engine. Make sure that the gloves are not in charging mode by toggling the switch to D. Next, power on the gloves by pressing the button once. For the link system, wear the StretchSense gloves over the Lycra suit while having as much slack as possible for the hand tracker. Then, place the hand tracker on the soft Velcro on the back of the StretchSense gloves. For the window system, you may wish to place the forearm tracker and strap on top of the StretchSense gloves. Then, place the hand tracker on the soft Velcro on the back. Before beginning the software integration, you will need to have the gloves calibrated and trained in Hand Engine. Documentation for how to do this can be found by going to the knowledge base for StretchSense and finding the Hand Engine user guide. With the gloves set up, go to Settings and open Preferences. Turn on Xsens Streaming and take note of the port number here. When done, click Submit. Next, expand the drop-down menu for your active glove. If MVN and Hand Engine are running on the same computer, the default IP address can be left alone. If running MVN on a different computer, type in the IP address of that computer in this box here. Then turn on Xsens Streaming. With that done, we can move on to MVN. Open the motion capture configuration window and go to the Fingers tab. Change the glove type to Streaming Gloves. In this box, type the UDP port number defined in Hand Engine. Finally, select the correct stream ID numbers for the left and right gloves. These can be found in Hand Engine listed as the serial numbers for your active gloves. At this point, we are finished with setting up with the integration and can move on to the usual process for a capture session. After calibration, the avatar will now have moving fingers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.